Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm going to show you today my first attempt at building a potato tower. So here's what I have so far, and now we're going to go through the steps. So I'm hoping you can see this. So I took just some 1x2. I cut in my shop to make posts. I pounded the 4 into the ground. I have some 24-inch wide chicken wire, and I've wrapped that, and then I've taken the cable ties to snug everything together, and this is going to form the structure of the tower, and I'll put the rest of those on in a minute so you don't just sit here watching me attach wire. I got about 2 inches of some dirt in the bottom. In this dirt I have straw I just got from a neighbor. It's got my compost dirt, just some dirt from the garden, and a little bit of potting soil I had left. And then I threw in a handful of fertilizer. So that's going to be the main medium for the tower. Now what I do is I have the little Yukon Golds, and very carefully so I don't stick myself on the fence, I'm going to set these so the sprouts are up. Excuse me. I'm going to plant 4 like that. Then I'm taking just straw and I'm throwing the straw on. It keeps the soil loose for the potatoes, so as they grow and expand, it's very easy for them to do so. Then I'll put more of my mixture. Okay, now I'm going to put a couple more potatoes in. Again, the sprouts are up. I'm going to just put 4 in that batch. Then I'm going to put a little more straw over each one. And I think you get the idea. So now it's just going to be a few layers. I'll probably do 2 more layers of potatoes, and then the rest will just be my medium takes it to the top. They should poke out the sides in a week or so. They'll start sprouting towards the top, and then I'll continue to give you guys updates. So see you in the next frame. Okay, so now you can see it's all secured. I've got all my cable ties on. I put a decent layer of dirt on it. The straw, the secondary purpose it does serve is that it does absorb moisture. So I can water the outside and it soaks in like a wick, and I don't have to water a lot of it because you don't want too much water on potatoes or they can rot on you. So I just wet it down to keep things from blowing away. And that's it. And then hopefully in a week or so I can do an update. I should hopefully have some sprouts by then. We are supposed to get some heavy thunderstorms tomorrow. So who knows if this will be here over the weekend. Hoping it will be. But once they start to sprout and poke out the sides, then it's just a matter of counting down the days to harvest. And the thing that I want to see this year is, because this is the first time I've done a potato tower, is how successful and what my yield is with this versus in the ground and hilling the potato versus in the house in my potato bags. So I like to test different things against each other and see how they work out, and then start to lean more towards where I get the better yield. So with that said, You guys have a great day.